Working vehicle that was used to transport people and goods. Just beautiful, the beautiful animals and favourites of ours. Give them a special welcome. And a special thanks to the Blue Knights, the President Police Officers, and our friend Neil Shepherd for bringing Rolly and Sunny out.
Easy.
And today, the chief is coming on the stage. Just you.